Create a smooth combat combo system complete with trailing blade effects, sound effects, screen shake, slow motion, 8-gun direction hit reactions and death animation triggers. Would you spend ages figuring this out on your own? Follow this tutorial, and you can set everything up in just 10 minutes. I will guide you step by step from installation to core configuration, helping you create fluid attack combos quickly. Save the installation package to your local device first. The whole installation takes just half a minute, and you can choose either method. The first way is to import assets via Unreal Engine migration tool. The second way is to copy the entire plugin folder and paste it into the content directory of your project. Open your project after the process, and you can locate the handy combat system folder. Restart the project, then the plugin will work properly. We installed the plugin in the previous episode, and today we will add combat functionality to your character. Open the character blueprint you want to add combat to, whether it is a player character or an AI enemy. Go to the component panel on the left, click Add, search for and add the BPChanY combat system component. This step is equivalent to installing the combat core for your character. The component comes with a default data placeholder, but it currently has no combo configurations set up and will not work if used directly. Next, we will create a new configuration data asset from scratch. In the previous episode, we added the combat component to the character. Now we move on to the core configuration. We will launch the visual tool and register your attack animations. First, open the content browser and go to the folder Handy Combat System UI. Locate the blueprint named Launch Main Tool. Right-click it and select Run Editor Utility widget. The configuration panel will pop up. If part of the interface is hidden, just resize the window to view all content. Next, we register animation montages to import attack, hit and death animation into the system. Open the montage tab at the top of the panel. Here you can sort and manage animation by 3 categories: attack, get hit and death. Click the attack button to enter the list of attack montages. I have already added several preset attack montage data entries here. Click Add or Delete at the bottom left to open the list for creating or removing entries. It works just like a regular array variable. Click the plus icon to create a new montage data entry. Duplicate an existing preset data asset, rename it and add it to the list. Click the entry name in the list to open the details page and adjust settings. Let me explain the 3 main parameters here. Montage. Simply drag your finished attack montage into this field. Play rate. The default value of 1.0 means the animation plays at original speed. Set it to 1.2 for faster movement or 0.8 for slower movement. You do not need to edit the animation file itself. Start position. If your animation contains extra preparation frames at the beginning that you do not want to play, set this value to 0.2. The animation will start playing from the 0.2 second mark. You may leave other parameters unchanged for now. Register all your required attack animations here. We will talk about hit and death animations in later tutorials. All registered animations can be used directly when setting up combos. In the previous episode, we finished registering attack montages. Now we will set up individual skills for each attack and define the rules for combo detection. Switch to the skill tab at the top of the panel. Just like the montage section, presets are provided here. Simply duplicate a preset asset, rename it and add it to the skill list. Create one corresponding skill for every animation montage in your attack sequence. Open an entry in the skill list to view its detailed data. The first option is BAE montage. Select the matching attack animation you set up earlier from the drop-down menu to complete animation binding. The second pair are combo window start and combo window end. They mark the time frame during which you can chain the next attack. For example, set the values to 0.7 and 1.0. This means you can press the attack button to continue the combo while the animation plays between the 0.7 second and 1.0 second mark. Any input outside this period will break the combo. If both values are set to 0, this move cannot be chained into combos. The third option is release time, in which determines when to lift the action lock. is set to 1.6. The character will recover from loss and regain full control 1.6 seconds after the skill is activated. Once you fill in these basic parameters, the combo ready skill is fully configured. In the previous 2 episodes, we finished registering attack montages and configuring parameters for supporting skills. In this episode, we will move on to the next steps. We will combine all configured skills into one package, assign them to the character and set up control inputs. First, switch to the preset tab at the top of the panel. The creation process is the same as what we use for skills and montages. Click the Add or Remove button below to open the preset list. Then click the New button to create a preset. You can duplicate an existing preset, rename it and fill in all relevant data. Select the preset we just made on the left to check its detailed information. Click the plus icon to add entries for light attacks and heavy attacks. The total number of entries depends on how many combo segments you need. Here I add 4 entries for light attacks and 2 entries for heavy attacks. Then place the previously created skills into the corresponding slots. Leave the team option set to player by default. No further changes are required. Once the preset is ready, open your character blueprint. Select the combat component you have added, and assign the newly created preset in the details panel. Now proceed with input setup. Set the left mouse button to trigger light attacks and the right mouse button to trigger heavy attacks. Call the corresponding action function of the component and select the matching attack type. All settings are completed. Launch your project now. Press the attack button and you can perform full combos smoothly. The basic combo system is fully set up even for beginners. I will also cover additional content such as visual effects and sound effects in future episodes.